Hi, Bill Yannick here, and welcome to episode 1 of The Grind. So if you've been on the Connects board over the last few years, you've seen me on video with our episodes of what we call The Road. And it's a video specific to the Connects board, Prism board before that, talking about the road to whether it's 2019 or 2023. Well, we're bringing this concept to the masses, to you, the Connects membership. And the treat you're going to get between now and April is a behind-the-scenes look at how we're getting from our planning stage, which happened really since the middle of last year, into our execution phase of how we're bringing together Connects 2020, which is the 25th anniversary of Connects as an association. So I ask you to join us over the next 12 plus weeks, where we look at how we get from point A to point Z, how we get from literally a planning of an event to a Connects 2020 that's going to be hard to forget. It's going to be awesome. We're going to see you in person in April, and we're going to see you every week on The Grind.
How has the planning process gone so far for Connects 2020, and what goes into making a show this large?
Planning has been going great this year. We're farther ahead in our planning than we've ever been at this time. Having our general session keynote ready, our closing entertainment, and all that other stuff. What goes into making this big event? Details, timing, timelines, and a whole crew of people that have your back during the planning of the event.
What part of Connects 2020 planning are y'all working on this week?
This week we've been working on basically the education sessions, getting all the audio-visual needs that we have to put together, pulling all the information that we're needing for the hotel, putting that in timelines and putting that in spreadsheets to get to the hotel within the next, I'd say 2 to 3 weeks.
What are you most excited for this year at National?
I'm always excited that we get to bring new technology to the conference. I'm excited about the 25th anniversary and the fact that we've got some great things going on this year. There's going to be some great surprises this year, so I can't give too much information. But again, technology is going to be key, and a few surprises that we'll keep till the end. Okay, can't wait to see all of you at Connects 2020 in Orlando, Florida.